Good day, grade 10 learners, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video lesson, I will be discussing about the remainder theorem. So what is remainder theorem? So it states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus r, where r is a constant, then the remainder is p of r. So aalamin natin kapag sinubstitute natin yung p of x, makukuha natin yung p of r. So that will be the remainder of the given polynomials. So para ma-check natin if proven ba tong remainder theorem, so according kung ano yung kanyang statement, gagamit muna tayo ng synthetic division. So remember yung synthetic division, it is the process na sinishorten natin yung way ng pagdi-divide ng polynomials. So yun dun sa last video na in-upload ko. So let's have here 2. So ito yung ipang-multiply natin. And then mapapansin dito sa given ay naka-arrange na yung ating variables from the highest degree, which is yung 4. Then you have x cubed, x squared, and x. And then we just write all the constant. So we have here 1, positive 4, negative 1, negative 16, and negative 4. And then we have bring down 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 6 times 2 is 12. Then negative 1 plus 12 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. Negative 16 plus 22 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Negative 4 plus 12 is 8. So therefore, the remainder is positive 8. So ngayon, gagawin natin yung remainder theorem to find out na 8 ba yung remainder because gumamit tayo dito ng synthetic division. So by applying the remainder theorem, so we have here p of 2, and then we just substitute all the values doon sa x. So we have here, substitute na natin dito sa given. So we have here 2 to the 4th plus 4 times 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 16 times 2 minus 4. Again, hahanapin natin yung p of 2 para makuha natin yung p of r, yung pinaka-remainder. And then 2 to the 4th, that is multiplying 2 by itself 4 times, so that is 16 plus 2 cubed is 8 times 4 is 32 minus 2 squared is 4, and then 16, negative 16 times 2 is negative 32 minus 4. And then we have here, so yung 32 minus 32 is 0. So we have here 16 minus 4 plus 4, or negative 4 minus 4 is 8. So p of 2 is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. Ayan. So kung mapapansin ay parehas tayo ng answer. So thus, so we can say that thus p of 2 equals to 8, and that is the remainder. So we apply here the remainder theorem. So let's have another example. So let's have another example. Let p of x equals x to the 4th minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Find the remainder when p of x is divided by, so we have here ax plus 2 and letter b, x minus 3. So let's have x plus 2. So we will be using here p of negative 2. Okay? So we have here x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Again, we just substitute negative 2 for all the values of x here. So we have here negative 2 to the fourth minus 3 times negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 plus 5. Again, lahat ng x ay pinalitan natin ng negative 2. We are using the remainder theorem to find the remainder when we divide x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 by x plus 2. Again, we are going to use p of negative 2 because this will become x equals to negative 2. So we are going to use p of negative 2. Then, negative 2 to the fourth is 16. Again, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Then, negative 8 times negative 2 is 16. Then, negative 2 squared. Again, negative 2 squared is 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Then, negative times negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5. Then, equals, simplify natin, 16 minus 12 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 5 is 13. So, therefore, p of negative 2 is 13. So, therefore, when we divide polynomial, the given polynomial to a binomial x plus 2, the remainder will be 13. Okay, so how about this one? So, x minus 3. So, how about if you are going to divide the given polynomial by x minus 3? Of course, we are going to use p of positive 3. Then we have here x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Again, we just substitute 3 to the fourth minus 3 times 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 5 equals 3 to the fourth. So 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 81. Okay, then 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 times 3 is minus 27. Then, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 plus 5. So, we have 81 minus 27 minus 6 plus 5 equals 53. So, p of 3 equals to 53. So, therefore, when we divide the given polynomial by x minus 3, the remainder will be 53. And that is remainder theorem. So I hope that you learned something today. Don't forget to like and share this video and see you on our next video lesson.